Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI, and this video will be illustrating how to use your CMS editor to add coupons to your responsive website. We'll start by going down to Structured Content. In the sub-menu that appears, we'll click on Coupons. Once our coupon screen comes up, we'll go ahead and use an example that I've pre-created. First thing I did when creating this Money Savers coupon group is I clicked on New Group. The very next thing that I did is gave my coupon group a title. Now I didn't want my coupon group to be specific to services or aftermarket parts and accessories. I just wanted to encompass them all. You can do them either way. Next we have the owner field. If you have multiple domains with us that are all pointing back to the same site, you'll want to choose from this All Sites. However, if you only have one registered and purchased domain with us, you'll simply want to click on that domain that will be listed down below. Group description. This is a quick description of the coupons that you have in this group. Now this is an all-encompassing group of coupons I've created for my online store, so I just said coupons built to save you money. If you went with service-related coupons, you could say there are a myriad of different coupons that will help you save on services on your power sports vehicle with us. Something great like that. The next thing I did is I clicked on New Coupon. Here's where we actually start laying in the coupons and their details. Underneath here, the first thing I did is I typed in Weapon R Sale. Weapon R is a specific type of air filter, an aftermarket accessory I wanted to put on sale and mark down by about 30%. Sweet. Coupon exceptions. This outlines any rules for the coupon. And as you can see, cannot be combined with any other offer. One coupon use per item per 24 hours by any one person. You'll want to think of all the exceptions and be very clear with the coupon. Now, if you want to set an expiration date, that's our next field. All you'll have to do is use this calendar tool, go to the date that you want it to expire, and simply select it on the calendar. If you don't want it to expire, click the checkbox that says No Expiration Date. Pretty easy. Now when we get down here, down to our coupon description, this will be the actual description of what people are saving on in this particular coupon. So in this case, I said 30% off any Weapon R product relating to the filters, the air intakes that go with them, or any other parts and accessories of that brand name. Once you're done there, to finalize this coupon and save it over to your site so you can go over and take a look at it, you'll click Save Changes. Then you'll go up to the top, click on what will be your name in this upper right hand corner, and Publish Changes. Then you should be able to click over to your site and see that new coupon available for your customers. This has been Benjamin with ARI Coupons.